Hey, brauchen Beifahrer, sonst kippt das Ding im Wasser. Steig ein.
The Solo 750. A vehicle that could have been a car, but wasn't. No, we're not trying to sell you lawnmowers as cars. But what's coming next could be a car. A Solo 750. At the wheel is Felix Emmerich, grandson of the founders of Solo, and it comes from a company known for something else entirely, Solo. A post-war success story, famous for lawnmowers, agricultural equipment, and mopeds. But in 1970 Solo tried something different. An all-terrain vehicle, 6 wheels, rugged design. A machine with potential. At the wheel today is Felix Emmerich, grandson of the founders. His father, Andreas Emmerich, was one of the test drivers. His uncle? Roland Emmerich. Yes, that Roland Emmerich, director of Independence Day. And just like Roland's movies, the Solo 750 had a flair for adventure. Solo 750 wasn't just unusual in its looks, it had a compact but capable 2-stroke single-cylinder engine producing 20 horsepower. The engine was supplied by Solo itself, a company that knew small engines well. It was air-cooled and paired with a CVT-style transmission, perfect for off-road terrain. Despite its modest power, the lightweight fiberglass body and 6-wheel drive system gave it impressive mobility. With balloon tires instead of a traditional suspension system, it could tackle mud, sand, and even water. Top speed? 50 kilometers per hour, which might not sound fast, but in something this small and open, it felt like a roller coaster ride. Some of these rugged little machines ended up in the Middle East, bought by sheiks as expensive off-road toys. They cost up to 13,000 Deutsche Marks, more than a Volkswagen Golf at the time. But others stayed in Germany, where Solo hoped to sell them to the Bundeswehr. The army tested it. It even made it to an official demonstration. But legend has it, one tipped over during testing. And that was the end of that. The German military passed on it and production came to an abrupt halt. Production was short-lived, fewer than 100 units were ever built. Today, the Solo 750 is an ultra-rare collector's item. But one has been painstakingly restored in Meiningen. It's light, nimble, and at 50 kilometers per hour, it's thrilling. More than that, it floats. Yes, the Solo 750 could even take to water.
Hey, brauchen Beifahrer, sonst kippt das Ding im Wasser. Steig ein.
Apparently, the all-terrain vehicle can even float in Sindelfingen's city pond. And then there's its strangest journey, straight to Hollywood. Roland Emmerich thought the little off-roader looked otherworldly. He brought one to the US, where it made a cameo in Stargate. From the meadows of Swabia to the deserts of Arabia, and even into science fiction. A machine ahead of its time. Or perhaps, just in the wrong time.
But wait a minute. You didn't smash the bell and press the like button. Blasphemy.